Can we talk to that guy? Fine. Yeah, I'm gonna bail out here now. And should just head over to M.E.R.C. Let's go to another round.
Okay.
Another area at least.
I'm in position and available, as always.
Yeah. Let's take the road this time.
We have company. Did you?
Yeah, I'm gonna do the corner thing again. Unless I get a really nice position. Actually, this seems manageable if everyone's around the middle. I can't even save here. I think I just said spread. Clear. Yeah, I'm going to just bail out. I don't want to lose my marks in such an open area. I'm really afraid of those areas, to be honest.
I need my beauty sleep. Soon.
Yeah, whatever. You first gotta run, or else you... Seriously, guys.
We have company.
If you really just wanna take a nap when there's military guys just everywhere around you, then suit yourself, but I'm not gonna work that way. Yeah, now it's even dark in a completely open area. Yeah, I'm gonna keep running. You may think I'm a coward, but this is much easier.
Wait for orders.
Now just one area to the north, and we too tired to travel. God. I guess I should put everyone to go to take a nap.
The enemy is present in the area.
Yeah, let's go to sector and then move up again.
The army! I knew we'd see them sooner or later!
Okay, let's quick save that. And,
Target!
whoa. Yeah, I'm gonna quick save this, because this can go bad. But since every one of my guys has a shot now, we should be fine. No. No.
Yes?
That's why I quick saved, because stuff can go bad. Very bad. Can I select the M.E.R.C? Can I tell him to... Why this gun doesn't have a burst mode? No, don't do that. She can't go burst or anything either. I'm thinking I should shoot this guy first. Seriously. Will you get hit? Ira! Jesus Christ, woman. I thought you were a decent shot, but... Dimitri, don't let me down now. Oh my god, what is up with the mercenaries? Come on. Oh my god, what is up with this? Jesus!
Nighty-night!
Finally! Oh, I'm really gonna I'm gonna shoot for the torso now.
You called?
This is not a good battle. This is not a good battle at all. Whoa! That was a massive amount of blood. But yeah, we killed 2 guys and we lost 20 points, I think. I mean, it could be worse. Let's keep it at that. It could have been much better, obviously, but... Like
Enemies
that.
in sector.
Oh dear god. I think someone's going to die now.
They really want me bad.
I don't like this. I think I'm just going to redo that wasted a ton of ammo and getting my guys hurt. I just don't have the medical stuff to keep my guys alive. It's kind of weird. Or is it in the leg and collapses? Yeah, that's obviously not good. It's kind of weird. If MD shoots the guy towards the north first, then the enemy gets the first shot. That's, I don't know how that works. Maybe I should move Dimitri slightly closer. Nope. Nope. Definitely should not do that.
Yes?
Jesus Christ, man. This is actually proving to be quite a problem. I'll shoot for the torso. That's better. That's better.
Take that!
Yeah, I'll quick save that. Fine. I can live with that.
Fantastic!
And now everyone may just move out. Kill 2 guys, run away. Fine with me. Man, what a pain in the
Let's do
ass.
something already.
Oh yeah, you're still too tired to travel. That's great. Let's rest up again for a couple of minutes. Fine, that should be enough.
I'm on site.
Hooray! Let's go to the map and let's go down to the basement thingy. I don't know what to call it. Oh yeah, there's the little kid. I was wondering why he was named. Maybe I should actually talk to him.
Mommy said never talk to.
I'm not a stranger.
Mommy says you help us.
Yeah, I'm not a stranger. Will you talk to me now? Fine. Suit yourself. It was this building, right? Yeah, it was. Come on, hurry up. I don't want him to go run, because Fox will probably go faint again. It's annoying like that. Actually, everyone just stay out and then I'll let myself go down. Select M.E.R.C, yeah. How is he going to enter? He didn't even go inside the building. Fine, whatever. I'll talk to Miguel.
I have faith in us. We have nothing to.
What? I thought you wanted us to capture a
surprised
city. Friendly.
I wish I could be. Well, I'm a.
Fine, is there anyone else?
It does not seem right.
That does sound like you can get Miguel along for the ride. Will he mind if I try to open stuff?
Nothing.
No, he doesn't.
Nothing.
There's probably not much to steal, but still. Oh, what's this? Didn't notice this.
What's this?
Sun goggles.
Got it.
And those do what? Paramilitary eye protectors, triple lenses, anti-fog, interior acetate tinted middle lens for reduced glare. Fine. Scratch and shadow resistant exterior lens. Does that basically mean I have a better chance of hitting someone if I'm outside in the sun? I don't know. What? How did I end up here? I took a passage up, but how the hell did I... There's no hole in the ground or anything here. Right, I don't get it.
Nothing.
Fine. Then I guess I'm going to call it a set here. And next time we're going to first explore these 3 top zones. Because there's apparently some military dudes who have longer range weapons, so that suits me fine. And then we're going to fight at this airfield, I think. Yeah, it's an airfield. So that should be full of battle. So thanks for watching, and see you next time.